Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to see some JavaScript interview questions and answers that can be helpful in your next interview. So let's start. What do you understand by closures? Closure is basically an inner function that has access to the variables declared in its outer scope. That means a function becomes a closure when it has access to the variables that is declared in its outer scope. Closure basically has access to three scopes: its own variables, outer scope variables, and global variables. The next one is, what is the use of clear timeout method? The clear timeout method is used to clear the timeout that has been set by the set timeout method. Can we redeclare latent cost variables? No, we cannot redeclare latent cost variables. What's the difference between call and apply method? Both of these methods are used to invoke the function with a given this context and provided parameters. The main difference between these two is that parameters are passed one by one in the case of call, and in apply method parameters are passed as an array. What is first class function in JavaScript? First class function is means a function can be assigned as a value to a variable, can be passed as an argument to another function, and a function can be returned from a function. What's the difference between local storage and session storage? The main difference between session storage and local storage is that in case of local storage, the data is preserved when the browser tab is closed. What's the use of object.seal method? This method is used to seal an object, which means new properties cannot be added to the object, but values of existing properties can be changed as long as they are writable. What's the difference between for each and map method? For each is used to iterate over an array, execute callback function on each element of the array, and doesn't return anything. Map iterates over an array, calling the callback function on each item of an array, and returns new array. What is hoisting? Hoisting is a concept in JavaScript. In this, all the variable declarations are moved to the top of the script. What are callbacks? Callbacks are those functions that are passed to another function as an argument and gets executed when that passing function finishes its execution. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.